Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the coming week. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget, my readings are general. If they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in unnecessarily. If you want to find out more resonating messages, find out your rising, find out your moon, and then you'll be able to pick up the best messages for yourself. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the coming week. Tell me what's up with my beautiful Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the coming week. Tell me what's up with my beautiful Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the coming week. Taurus, I feel like some of you are going to reconcile with somebody, some of you are running back to past people. The vibe that I'm getting is that, somebody that you could have had a legal tiff with in between, and you all separated or parted ways, and then all of a sudden you just realize that that person was your person, or you're just probably missing this person, or probably during Mercury retrograde you just realize that they were not as bad as your mind made them, or the situation made them, or some third party made them. So I clearly see that some of you are really running back to somebody that you had shown your back on. You guys have realized that it wasn't fair on your part to just push them away like that. So you thought about it, you took your own sweet time, and now you could be rushing back to those people, you could be asking them out, you could be meeting them again. I do sense some sort of celebratory vibe over here. I do sense there is reconciliation, and there is reconciliation after a massive break, or after a massive deep thought wherein you have realized that it was not fair on your part. I do see that you've given a lot of thought, you've thought about it, and you have certainly realized that it wasn't right on your part to push this person away, or to some of you have realized that this person's love was genuine and you couldn't understand it. I still want to clarify why is Nine of Cups in reverse. Can you please clarify Nine of Cups in reverse? Can you please give me one more card and please clarify Nine of Cups in reverse. Yes, Taurus. For some of you, I'm getting this message very loud and clear that you guys are really looking back in the past and you're regretting certain decisions made. You are realizing how without peeping in, without really putting yourself in a place where you could judge yourself, you just put the entire blame on somebody else. And now very steadily you are just introspecting, and you're looking at your own actions from an audience perspective, and you're sort of realizing that maybe it was not their fault. Maybe you guys had shared, you guys were equally responsible for whatever went down between y'all, and you realize that it was just a very equal give and take. Some of you could be feeling like a hypocrite in this moment. Some of you could be feeling that you were doing the same thing to the other person, but when the other person did the same to you, you just pushed them away. And you're realizing, well, Taurus, okay, see, I would like to put it this way, that it's brilliant that you guys are realizing, it's brilliant that at least you guys are aware enough to put yourself in a place where you can view yourself from an audience perspective and realize where you're wrong, where you're right. This is where your growth lies. We all are human beings, we all make mistakes, but as long as we are ready to hold ourselves accountable, as long as we are ready to really make amends, as long as we are ready to accept and acknowledge that we were wrong, and we can give the other person the fair share of apology and a corrective action, I think it's all good. So for a lot of you, I'm just sensing that vibe, Taurus, that you guys are running back to the people that you parted ways with, because you do realize that they were your person, they belonged to your future picture. So this is the message that I am receiving, guys. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person. I do see Taurus. Okay, first of all, the person that you guys are dealing with at this point in time, or probably ever since you guys have parted ways, this person has literally gone into a self doubt zone. This person was left in a zone wherein they just sort of, started questioning their abilities. They just sort of started questioning if they are capable of anything whatsoever. When rejection comes from people that we really like, we just, as human beings, end up taking it personally, and we just end up questioning our self worth, which we shouldn't, but we do. And this is the exact position that this person was left in when you walked off. And at this point in time also, like, it's not like this person is has absolutely moved on. The person that you guys were dealing with could be an air sign, could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, could be a water sign, could be a Capricorn, could be any sign as far as elements go. But what I'm sensing out of this picture is that this person is definitely stuck on you. And I do see that for a lot of you, when you left this person out in cold, or when you pushed this person away, a lot of wounds that this person already was dealing with, their past wounds, their childhood wounds, or their wounds from their past relationship where they were made feel that they were not enough, all of those resurfaced. All of those emotions literally came on surface, and then when you walked off, basically you triggered each and every wound that they were carrying. That action of yours of just pushing them away triggered everything that you were carrying, that they were carrying, and then they had to deal with all of it. They had to literally awaken the healer within them. They had to awaken some of them consulted psychiatrists, some of them consulted healers, and some of them took therapy. Some of them started walking on a spiritual path, and they're still on that path. Taurus, the action that you guys took had a very deep impact on this person, and this person literally had to demolish their emotional and mental body. And I do see that this person has taken certain steps on their healing journey. As far as their emotions are concerned, Taurus, I do not see that this person is really looking for any sort of reconciliation, or this person is looking for any sort of emotional, relationship, or any sort of relationship. So for some of them, I'm also seeing that they've taken themselves off radar. They are not open to people seeing them. They're not open to seeing people. I can clearly see that this person for now has made a decision. It could be that this person's, somebody who's assisting them with their healing. So maybe, if they are consulting a psychic, if they're consulting a dating coach, a therapist, whoever. I do see that this person has got clear instruction from that professional to stay off radar, and to just probably work on all the wounds, that to work on all of their triggers, so when they date anybody else in future, nobody can trigger them. Because eventually we all need to understand that our triggers are teachers, and no matter, like, of course a foreign body triggers us, but that's where our work lies, that's where we need to work, this is where our emotional healing lies. So I do see that Taurus, at this point in time, the person that you want to rush back to is absolutely first went into a self-doubt zone, then started their healing journey, and it's not like they've moved on from you, but I do see that they've just realized that there is a whole lot of baggage, there's an insane amount of past wherein they need to move on from, and right now this person is on their healing journey. I don't think that this person would like to reconsider any reconciliation with you, because they are on a different path altogether right now. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button. and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the coming week. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button and I will find out the outcome. Please give me the outcome for Taurus Sun, Moon, Rising and their person for the coming week. Please give me the outcome for Taurus Sun, Moon, Rising. Please give me the outcome for Taurus Sun, Moon, Rising and their person for the coming week. Well, Taurus, see, as far as your person is concerned, I do see that, okay, you have intentions to get back with them. Maybe some of you have what did some of you do, Taurus, that you guys left this person out in cold? You guys explored various options and you guys realized that there was no person who loved you and was there for you quite like they did. So for some of you it's a U-turn because you realize that the road further is actually full of trash. So you're taking a U-turn because you realize that you left the most beautiful destination behind and now everything ahead is just absolute bullshit. So some of you are doing that, and like I do see that in the coming week and probably in the coming months, you guys are going to give it a shot. You guys are going to let this person know. You guys are going to offer them love. But I need you to understand that this person that you guys are dealing with is in a very different space right now. This person is probably, in the dark night of the soul phase. This person is probably in a phase wherein once they really work out all of this darkness, they are going to heal, they are going to awaken, and they are going to come out a very different human being that how and what you knew them to be. So at this point in time, I do see that, for both of you individually, things are going to be shaky. Because as you are hitting this realization that they were your person and you want to be with them, this person is hitting the realization that they don't want to be the person who's capable of attracting human beings like you. Who's capable of falling for a human being even if they feel like they are a nobody. Or falling for somebody who's opening their options or exploring various options. So this is a quite tricky situation, guys. I cannot really see a particular outcome whether this person will say a yes or a no. Maybe if you're persistent enough, maybe if you really want this person and you want to keep investing in them for the next 1 year, you may see results coming. But at this point in time, I do see that this person is committed to their sadness because this person wants to work it out, this person wants to heal, this person wants to rise above. This is it for the coming week, guys. Let me know in the comment section if it resonated with you. Please subscribe, and yes, also money looks good for you guys. I'll see you guys next week.